again, just short. Hate it.
I won't have enough either.
No, it's fine.
I hate CT, man. The fucking price of shit is retarded.
That's why you gotta be better with the FAMAS than with the Galil.
Yeah. We got mid-rush, I think. Grenade out.
God, this guy's fucking elephantine.
Oh fuck, he's lit 78.
Counter-terrorists win. I hit him in the fucking head too, bastard.
I can't find his AK, that sucks. He like threw it in the fucking hay bale.
Toilet in the turlet.
Threw it in the fucking turlet. Oh my god, I fucking recorded that so hard.
And that's all that came out. Go, go, go!
Second time.
Keeping you on your toes. Flashbang. Deploying flashbang.
It's not B.
It's probably hard outside then.
They
They're
were
all
either
sitting in
like
fucking T-spawn.
yeah, that's probably yeah.
Yeah, I don't have shit here yet.
Oh shit, that was mid.
Did you guys
Oh,
full
by
rotate
banana.
off of B?
I'm going back.
Oh, they're by banana.
Oh fuck.
Throwing a grenade.
No! Fuck! He got bomb, alt mid.
Flashbang.
Fuck my life.
Counter-terrorist win.
That headshot.
Fuck.
AK, you nerd.
The AK, you nerd.
Guys, I gotta hit double digits before the game ends. Stop killing them.
Oh my god.
Just go banana, dude. Go banana with a peanut.
How about we just let you play this round? We'll stay spawn.
How about just team come at the start?
Yes, that'd be amazing.
Let's do it. Let's let him fucking play it out.
You didn't buy P90. I guarantee you, P90 rush
Go,
banana.
perp, go.
Dead.
I'm gonna team kill him.
I'll just leg anyone that I see and leave them for you.
Yay. They're not banana, I'm rotating.
Oh my god.
Or just wait again or some shit. I hear him outside of apps.
Hey, you didn't like that.
I like these guys.
Grenade.
Got this orange, don't worry.
Flashbang.
Is flash for good luck?
Oh my god. Oh,
I just flashed the shit out of him.
How do you not see you there?
Bombs down mid.
Fucking greased.
This guy B-hops through alt mid and in the air gets a headshot with the scout. Like, are you fucking serious?
With a name like Smuckers, it has to be good. Why is it pausing? They're gonna fucking lose.
Apps.
Oh my god, what? That was oh, knife, knife! Oh no!
I tried to fucking knife.
Oh no!
I swear to God.
Fucking swing that
Oh
knife!
my god.
Oh my god, he is! He's just swinging the knife!
Please just end the game.
Please just knife
Please
him.
don't
Knife,
die.
knife, 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 knife!
Please
Oh my
don't
god,
die.
oh my god, what are you doing?
End the game.
Oh no! Knife him, knife him, no!
I get
This is fucking hilarious.
Oh man, that was fucking hilarious. I tried to knife. He turned around and I was like, no!
over 200 green.
But he's not.
Oh my god. Well, he's new, so...
Oh,
Oh, that was a
died
fucking
a
fun
little bit
game.
inside.
Yeah, I'm gonna grab the last 5 minutes of that one.